Greetings, Aries. Thank you for being here in this space with me today, and welcome to your reading for the middle of July to the end of July 2024. What I'm going to do today is we're going to pull a couple of moon oracle cards to start out with. Then we'll pull some tarot cards to see what your current energies and your advice from spirit is going to be. And then we'll close it off with a couple of messages from your spirit guides, which I'm really excited about because a very good friend of mine, my best friend, gifted me this really beautiful deck with spirit guide messages in it. And so I'm excited to see what comes through for you, Aries, with those today. So let's start off with a couple of moon oracle cards. See what it is Spirit has for you surrounding moon cycles. Okay, so the first thing coming through is balance, spirituality, and practicality. And this is full moon in Pisces energy. So this would be a great time to look at any place in your life, Aries, that you feel is imbalanced, or anything where you feel like you're giving too much attention over here or not enough attention to this thing or this person or this activity, and try to find that good balance. Nothing in life is ever going to be perfectly balanced, as we all know, but this card coming through, balancing spirituality and practicality, is really saying to try and find a harmonious balance. Not a perfect balance, but a harmonious balance. Okay, and the other one coming through is, what do you need to release? Waning moon. Okay, so good question. Maybe let me know down in the comments below, what do you need to release this week, this upcoming, this end of the, I cannot talk today, sorry. This end of July 2024. All right, and now, dun 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 dun, let's go to the tarot. See what it is that is coming through for you for this time, Aries. Okay, so in your current energies, we have the Devil, the Seven of Pentacles, and the Hierophant. So it would seem to me that you are... This feels like a sexual thing. With the Devil and the Seven of Pentacles, I feel like maybe this has something to do with a secret admirer, or maybe you're secretly admiring somebody, or perhaps like there's just something really, I don't want to get too risque here, but it just feels like something kind of spicy is going on here, Aries. And so, yeah, the Seven of Pentacles is just giving me this secret admirer vibe. And then with the Hierophant, it's almost like perhaps this could be many things. Perhaps this connection or this person that you're interested in is a very traditional type of person, and you feel like, I don't know, something to do with a traditional or very authoritative person. Okay, for some of you, this is like an intimate connection with somebody that either is in a position of authority or is very traditional in their belief systems. For others of you, however, this could come through as like perhaps perhaps somebody's been pushing your buttons lately. Okay, and maybe it's like a friendly fire situation. It's coming through like, okay, a mother and their child, and the child is just being all crazy and overwhelming, and the mom just wants to go scream into her pillow. But it's not necessarily the kid's fault, and he wasn't meaning to overwhelm his mom. At least we hope. But that's kind of how it's coming through, like, or like a person who pushes your buttons, and maybe they know they are, maybe they don't. But somebody that pushes your buttons, and then when you snap, the devil comes out, and they're like, oops, sorry. Like, so, okay. So it's either something sexual or it's like that. It's like a button pushing situation. Now, in your advice from Spirit, we have the Page of Swords, the Ten of Swords in reverse, and the Fool. So let's start with the Fool. I feel like that this is saying, whatever the situation is, don't engage, right? If it's like somebody pushing your buttons, don't give them that power, is what I'm getting from the Fool being here in your advice. Okay. It's kind of like look the other way, turn the other cheek type of situation. Because, and then with the Page of Swords here, it could be a situation where maybe more communication is needed, okay? Maybe there needs to be a message delivered to this person by you. Because, like I said, it's kind of coming through like maybe this person doesn't quite know that they're pushing your buttons. Not for all of you, but for some of you, that's what it's coming through like. And with the Page of Swords in your advice, it's like, tell them. Don't wait until you blow up at them, because when we blow up at people, they are no longer going to receive any of that as in a healthy way. So say something to this person, communicate with them before you lose your shit, essentially. The Ten of Swords in reverse, something could be coming to an end here. And I feel like Spirit is saying you have the power to unstab yourself in the back. Like, don't be afraid to try and resolve the situation with a little bit of friendly communication. Let's go ahead and clarify this reading. Let's see let's clarify why the Hierophant is in your current energies. Okay, so for the Hierophant, you get the Ace of Wands, the Five of Cups in reverse, and the Two of Wands in reverse. All right, so this is like, yeah, you feel like you're at a loss with this person, maybe. Like you can't win for losing type of situation. And that very well may be for some of you Aries out there. This may be a situation, maybe like with a narcissistic person or with somebody who just cannot be talked to. Those are unfortunate situations. They do happen. So maybe it's like that. The Two of Wands and the Ace of Wands. Okay, this is a lot of wands. Okay, so this is a lot of wands. This is a lot of this is like a new beginning, okay? This is like the hand of God reaching out and offering a different route or a new cycle, new beginning. And the way it's coming through is like, maybe getting a counselor or a therapist would help. For some of you, for others of you, you may just be at a loss here. Let's clarify the devil. See what that's all about. The Two of Wands, the Two of Pentacles in reverse, the World, and the Six of Wands in reverse. Okay, so this is telling me that it is like a situation where there's a delayed reaction and it feels like it's from you, but when there is a reaction, it's an unhealthy one. And the Two of Pentacles in reverse, you're juggling too much. You're doing too much, or juggling too much, too many irons in the fire. So this is what's bringing out this devil energy, this obsessive or this negative type of vibe. Let's clarify the Fool in your advice from Spirit. Okay, yes. So you get the Hermit, the Tower, and the Nine of Cups in reverse. Don't engage. If this person pushes you to a point where you feel like you're going to have an unhealthy response, walk away. Walk away. This is what Spirit is saying. The Hermit is a person that goes, whoa, hold up. Let's take a step back. So give that a try, Aries. And then let's close it off with a quick message from your spirit guide. So we have here, if you pay close attention, you will notice